In this video, I explain LG Smart TV won't connect to Wi-Fi. Today, we are gonna show you how to fix your LG TV if it won't connect with your Wi-Fi. This fix will work with almost all LG models. We're gonna show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing we're gonna try is really simple and will pretty much resolve the error. Hold the play or pause button on the remote. At the same time, hold down the center button until you get a message on the screen that the Fire Stick is powering off, that you can release them after your Fire Stick returns to the home screen. If that not clears the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Unplug your router, wait for the 60 seconds, plug it in, wait for router to go online, self-test on about 2 minutes later or so, it will start acting normally. Then you can check your TV. If this also not clears your problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 3. This is the last thing usually will do to the trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV, home button on the remote, go to settings, go to general menu, then click on reset to initial settings. This will definitely fix your problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.